Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make orange sherbet. First, gather your ingredients: fresh oranges, granulated sugar, water, and either milk or half and half. You'll also need an ice cream maker. Choosing ripe, juicy oranges is key for the best flavor. This simple guide will help you create a delightful, refreshing treat right in your own kitchen. Next, let's prepare the orange syrup. Zest 1 orange, being careful to avoid the white pith, then juice about 4 to 5 oranges to get approximately 1 1/2 cups of juice. Combine this fresh orange juice, the zest, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat the mixture over medium-low heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Once your orange syrup is ready, it's crucial to chill it completely. Transfer the mixture to a bowl, cover it, and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until it's very cold. Before churning, stir in 1 cup of milk or half and half. Then, pour the chilled mixture into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 30 minutes. Continue churning until the sherbet reaches a soft serve consistency. It will be thick but still pliable. Carefully transfer the freshly churned sherbet into an airtight container. Place the container in the freezer for an additional 2 to 4 hours to allow it to firm up properly. When ready, scoop and serve your delicious, homemade orange sherbet. Enjoy this bright, refreshing dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.